Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Mandel. If you're struggling with a cold or the flu right now, if you're coughing nonstop, your chest is tight with mucus, you can't breathe through your nose, your sinuses feel like they're about to explode, or you're dealing with bronchitis and your lungs just aren't cooperating, I need you to pay close attention because what I'm about to share with you could change everything. There's one powerful spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now that most people completely overlook, and it's about to become your secret weapon against respiratory issues. This incredible spice works as a natural expectorant. It fights inflammation, it destroys bacteria, and it's scientifically proven to help with bronchitis, asthma, congestion, sore throats, and even seasonal allergies when it comes to breaking up mucus and calming inflammation in your respiratory system. This is absolutely magical. Not only does it reduce inflammation throughout your airways, but it actually prevents bacteria from multiplying, which means it stops your sickness from getting worse. And here's something amazing. If you're absolutely miserable coughing all night long, unable to sleep, this natural remedy acts as a powerful cough suppressant without any of the side effects of over-the-counter medications. But wait, there's more. This same spice helps relieve gas and bloating. It calms an upset stomach, improves digestion, tackles heartburn, and even helps if you're dealing with low stomach acid. And if you have high blood pressure, you're going to love this. This spice has natural anti-hypertensive effects that help bring your numbers down safely. It's also known to improve cholesterol levels, boost circulation throughout your entire body, and it even helps your body produce more red blood cells, which means better oxygen delivery to every vital organ in your system. Now let me tell you about the perfect combination to supercharge this remedy. When you add fresh lemon, you're bringing in serious healing power. Lemon breaks down excess mucus, and the citric acid combined with vitamin C cleanses your liver and lymphatic system, helping your body detox naturally. And when it comes to soothing coughs and healing sore throats, nothing compares to raw honey. It has powerful antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Honey literally heals irritated tissues while suppressing that annoying cough. So what is this miracle spice I keep talking about? It's organic thyme, and I use it constantly in my own health routine. Now you're probably thinking, okay, Dr. Mandel, what exactly do I do with this? Here's the traditional method. Boil a cup of water. Add about 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, cover it, and let it steep for 10 to 12 minutes. Then squeeze in half a fresh lemon and add a few drizzles of raw honey. Drink it down and feel the relief wash over you. You can do this any time of day. But I'm going to share something even more powerful with you. Take a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme and put it directly in your mouth. I know what you're thinking. What? Really? Just eat it plain? Yes, exactly. Start chewing it and keep chewing. I know it's strong, but here's why this works so incredibly well. You're releasing powerful antioxidants like thymol and carvacrol directly into your system. These compounds get absorbed through the tissues in your mouth and go straight into your bloodstream within minutes, not hours. Within actual minutes, you're going to feel a difference in how you breathe. Your gastrointestinal system is going to thank you, and you'll be on the fast track to feeling so much better. Your airways will open up, that tight feeling in your chest will ease, and you'll finally be able to take a deep, satisfying breath if you're dealing with any kind of respiratory issue right now, bronchitis, asthma, allergies, or just a stubborn cold. You need to try this healing remedy, I promise you. You will feel the difference, you will breathe easier, and you'll wonder why you didn't know about this sooner. I wish you only the best health possible. Please share this video with your friends and family members who are struggling with respiratory issues. You could literally change their life. Leave your comments below because I absolutely love reading them and hearing about your results. And most importantly, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel from Your Health Circle VV.